Hey guys, welcome back. Let's explore a new feature in Odoo 20 expenses, which is expense limit. Okay, so you all know that employee expense is a part of every business. Like we have different kind of employee expense reimbursement, like travel, food, accommodation, or any kind of meeting with the client, something like that. Okay, so it should be reimbursed. So here in Odoo, if you guys are not controlling them very properly, what will be happening? Some of the employees, not everyone, I'm just choosing some of them, will be exploiting that reimbursement. Okay, to get or to put a limit on that purpose, here in Odoo 20 it has introduced a new feature which is expense limit. So it's very important to understand. So here in this video I'm going to show you that to put an expense limit of your any kind of expense product, you can move on to the configuration. Under there we have the expense product, and I'm choosing expense product which is meals. So inside my company, some of my employees are exploiting this meals reimbursement, like meals expense reimbursement. They're exceeding an amount that we cannot afford. Okay, so I can simply put a limit for that. So there we have all the details about that particular product, which is a meal. I didn't even provide the sales price. It is in one. Let me remove it. Okay, and once we are done with it, this is the course reference category and everything is there. Now you can see under that particular thing, there we have an option to put a limit. So you are providing the limits on the rule based of a job position. So if you're just going to provide a limit for only the consultant, you can choose them. Or if you want to provide any other person like the chief technical officer, you can provide them. So something like that, you can simply put a job position for the limit, and under the job position, I mean how many employees are there under that particular job position will be included on this limit. Now here you can provide which is the amount that you are going to put as a limit. So let me provide it as 1000. So if you guys are just providing this as a rule, like one of your employees exceeding the limit of meals expense more than 1000, what will be happening there? You will get a trigger warning. So I'll show you how it will be processing. I'm just going to save this manually. Okay, let me update the cost. And once we are done with that, now I'm moving on to my expenses and creating a new expenses by clicking on this option. So let me provide the description as lunch with customer or client, no problem. You can provide anything. Okay, let it be client. Okay. Once we are done with that, you can choose the product, which product that we have provided particular limit. So that's meals. So there you can see I'm just going to provide this as first of all 500. So once I'm providing it as 500 and uh, giving the correct employee which is under the consultation or consultant, I just want to provide it as Abigail Peterson, because if I'm moving on to the internal link of Abigail Peterson, what will be there? Abigail is a consultant. Okay, let it load. So there you can see the job position of Abigail Peterson is actually consultant. Once we are done with it, let me move to the expense reimbursement. And if I just want to submit this, or if I'm choosing that particular employee, there you can't find any kind of trigger warning. But once we are exceeding more than $1,000, like if I'm putting it as $2,000, so if Abigail Peterson is had a lunch with a client more than $2,000, what will be happening? They will put a limit for their job, and there you can see this expense exceed the limit of $1,000 defined for this job position. So you can simply put a expense limit in Odoo 20 version very easily. So this will be a very useful feature if you're any of the employees is exploiting this reimbursement. So you will only get the trigger warning, but it is not restricted by Odoo. You can move with the the submitting of this particular expenses and everything. And once there it is, the company can decide what will going to do or in the next step. Okay, no problem. So that's how simply you can use this feature. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I hope you all understood this one. So like this, new features in Odoo 20, I'll be there with another kind of tutorials. So till that, bye-bye.